Hey, my YouTubers. Y'all see what I have? I have Great American Cookie. Everyone knows they are the best. Great American Cookie, they the best. Y'all, I love Great American Cookies. Like, they sell everything and all their sweets are so delicious. I'm going to show y'all what I have. Now, don't laugh, y'all, because I already bit off a piece of my cookie. Look. Ta-da! Do y'all see that? Yeah, I bit off a piece already. Y'all see that? Oh, it is so delicious. Just take both with you when you go. Oh, yeah, my camera is like running out. Did y'all see that piece of cookie? Oh, it is so good. Oh, yeah, my nails need filling. I know, they look so bad. I gotta go to the nail shop. Don't mind them. Just look at the cookies. Don't look at my nails. I like y'all don't even see those. Oh, don't even see them. Just look at the cookie. Look at the cookie, not my nail. Oh my God, y'all, this is so good. Man, y'all just don't understand. Great American Cookie, do y'all see that? They have the best sweets. It's so good. So you're gonna get a toothache food with Great American Cookie. So good. But make sure y'all like, share, comment, and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell as well. So until then, I'm about to enjoy this cookie. And I'm gonna see y'all some other time. Castle.